Imagine waking up to a world where the air is clean, the energy is endless, and nature thrives alongside technology. Green energy is not just a choice anymore, it is the foundation of our future. From solar and wind to hydro and geothermal, renewable power is reshaping how we live, work, and grow. It's about more than electricity. It is about creating a sustainable landscape where innovation meets responsibility and every generation inherits a healthier planet. The future world landscape is not just green, it's thriving, resilient, and alive. And it starts with the energy choices we make today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.